Hey guys, Rich Nance. I'm the tech editor for Guns & Ammo Magazine. We're at SHOT Show 2020, and I'm at the Rock Island Armory booth with professional shooter John. John, what do you have for us today?
So this is a firearm that's actually been around for a bit, but we kind of let it fall to the wayside, and then we realized, like, oh my gosh, we still have this firearm on the California roster. Let's get it re-engaged.
Being from California, I can appreciate that because there's not a lot to choose from.
And especially, you know, yeah, with all the new laws and stuff that happen, you know, a lot of gun manufacturers even decided to opt out and be like, nah,
Sure.
you know what, we're out. These were kind of grandfathered in, and because we kept paying up on them to keep them on the roster, we realized, like, okay, we can bring these back. Now, typically the highest seller that we were selling in and moving in California was actually the GI series of pistols. And you know, they're very limited, and I mean, there's a lot you can do with them. There's a lot of modifications and upgrades you can do. But this gun is a little bit more, it already includes those modern upgrades that people kind of expect from the 1911 nowadays, you know? So this is called the EFS.
Okay.
It's essentially it's a Rock series pistol with some premium upgrades and then some standard upgrades. So when I say standard, typically what that means is that we have a dovetail cut front sight that's a flat black one. We have a Novak style cut rear sight. It's going to be fixed. You get the skeletonized hammer, the skeletonized trigger, ambidextrous safeties, an extended beaver tail safety, and then you get texturized grips as opposed to like the smooth wood ones that are typical for our GI. Like I said, I mean, being that it's from California, I think this gun is going to do extremely well. Now, this is the full size. We also have it in a compact size, so we've got it in the 3.5-inch barrel model, and both of these run $7.99 as market sale retail price.
Nice. And what about the magazines that it comes with, or?
They'll ship with one magazine. We have more magazines available on our retail website, which is www.advancedtactical.com. If you have any other questions or information that you'd like, you can always go to our firearms page, which is armscore.com.
Okay.
That can give you all sorts of other information. As far as magazines go, typical 1911 magazines, you know, this one's chambered 45 ACP, so if you got 45 ACP mags, then you're ready to plug and play.
Ready to rock. All right, thank you very much, John.
Absolutely.
Great new pistol from Rock Island Armory.